Ever stare up at the night sky, gazing at the stars and wonder, where are all the aliens? That question has been on the minds of many, from scientists to philosophers, for centuries. The universe is vast, almost unimaginably so. It's filled with billions upon billions of stars, each potentially surrounded by its own system of planets. Now consider this. A significant number of these planets might be habitable. They could have the right conditions to support life, much like our own Earth. With this in mind, doesn't it seem statistically likely that there should be other intelligent life out there somewhere? Yet despite all our advancements in technology, all our explorations of the cosmos, we have yet to find definitive proof of alien life. Given the vastness of the universe, it seems almost impossible that we're alone, and yet we have no definitive evidence of alien life. This brings us to a fascinating conundrum known as the Fermi paradox. So, what exactly is this Fermi paradox? It's not a paradox in the traditional sense, rather, it's a question, a mystery, that has puzzled scientists for decades. At its core, the Fermi paradox is the seeming contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the deafening silence we've encountered in our search for it. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everybody?" This paradox poses a fundamental question about our place in the universe. Consider the sheer size and age of the universe. With billions upon billions of stars, many of which are likely to have planets orbiting them, the universe is vast beyond our comprehension. And it's been around for about 14 billion years, a timescale that dwarfs human history. Given these factors, it seems likely, almost inevitable, that somewhere out there, intelligent life should have arisen. Now, couple this with the concept of technologically advanced civilizations. The idea here is that if a civilization is advanced enough, it should be capable of interstellar communication or even travel. And given the age of the universe, there's been more than enough time for such civilizations to arise and make their presence known. Yet, despite our best efforts, we've found no evidence of their existence. No signals, no spacecraft, nothing. It's as if we're alone in a sea of stars. But here's the thing. The lack of evidence isn't evidence of lack. Just because we haven't found anything yet doesn't mean that there's nothing to find. It's possible that we're not looking in the right way, or at the right time, or that we're simply not advanced enough to detect or understand the signals that are out there. That's the Fermi paradox, a universe where it seems like we should have met ET by now, but all we're getting is silence. It's a silence that has left us with more questions than answers. So, where does this leave us? Are we truly alone in the universe, or have we just not been looking in the right places? Many theories have been proposed to explain the Fermi paradox, each with its own unique twist. Let's delve into some of the more compelling ones. Firstly, the nature of life and intelligence itself is a matter of debate. Some theorists suggest that life as we know it might be a rare occurrence. Others argue that intelligent life could be common, but it may not last long due to self-destruction or natural disasters. This is often referred to as the Great Filter theory. Another intriguing idea suggests that advanced civilizations may deliberately be avoiding contact with us. Why? Perhaps to allow us to develop independently, or because they see no benefit in interacting with a less advanced civilization. Then we have the limitations of our own technology to consider. Currently, we're only able to detect signals and signs of life from a very limited distance. It's as if we're searching for a needle in an astronomical haystack. With advancements in technology, our search parameters might expand, bringing us closer to potential discoveries. Lastly, there's the possibility that we might simply be looking in the wrong way or at the wrong time. Civilizations may have come and gone in the vastness of cosmic time, leaving us like ships passing in the night. Or perhaps, alien life forms communicate in ways that are beyond our current comprehension. The Fermi paradox leaves us with a universe full of possibilities and an even greater sense of wonder. Whether we are alone or not, the search for alien life continues to inspire, challenge, and fascinate us. After all, the universe is a big place and we've barely begun to explore it.